On a recent Saturday morning, a group of FCC engineers arrived at FedEx Field in Landover, Maryland for an unusual day of testing. In just a few hours, the Washington Redskins will kick off a preseason game against the Buffalo Bills, but for now, the FCC controls the field. The tests are part of an ongoing dispute at the agency, which is trying to figure out if high-tech companies like Google and Motorola should be allowed to use empty TV channels. All across the country, channels are left open so that local TV signals don't bleed into each other. Tech companies want permission to use those free airwaves. They say they can design new wireless gadgets that can figure out which channels are in use and automatically use the other ones. Those airwaves could be used to create new, powerful wireless internet networks. Google co-founder Larry Page likes to call it Wi-Fi on steroids. But broadcasters are opposing the idea. They worry the new devices will interfere with their signals.
Well, primarily it's about interference. These devices have the potential to interfere with TV viewers and our programming and our customers. They also have the potential to interfere with our news gathering efforts and our program production. That's the testing today is about wireless microphones, which we use in producing games like this.
For the NFL and the entertainment industry, there's another big issue. Wireless microphones are already using empty TV channels. Concerned the new devices will wipe out their wireless mics, the NFL and ESPN invited the FCC out to FedEx Field to test a few of the prototypes.
With uncoordinated and unlicensed activity, there's no way to track where the interference is coming from, and there will be interference.
On the visitor's sideline, a team of ESPN engineers set up equipment they'd typically use to broadcast a Monday night football game. Across the field, the FCC engineers carefully set up antennas and began checking the stadium's airwaves. Two devices were tested at the stadium. A device by Philips Electronics appeared to be too good at sniffing out TV channels. In 4 tests at various points around the stadium, it showed that all of the TV channels in the area were being used, even though they weren't. Another device, developed by a Singapore research group, fared better. It detected many of the TV channels in the area and some, but not all, of the wireless mics. Government engineers aren't talking about their conclusions, although they're expected to release a report in September with their findings. After that, it will be up to the FCC to decide whether to open up those airwaves to new uses. A decision is expected to be announced this fall. For the Wall Street Journal, this is Amy Schatz.